Hello, Kakbay.ph readers. So, today I just received my earnings for month of April. Medyo mababa this month kasi I went on a long vacation. So, for this month, I received a total of $972.89 compared to my last month of $1,360. But it's okay. Still, okay. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, this is like, when I converted it to peso, nasa 42,000 pesos. So, there. Masyadong maliwanag ang ating. So, this is the money. So, these are all 500s. There. So, I have a couple of hundreds, couple of 200s, and there's 500. I believe I have 1,000 here. So, bawi ako next month. Actually, this month of May, medyo okay na siya. Tumaas na siya ulit. So, I'll be posted by June kung how much yung overall na kikitain ko for the month of May. Okay, so thank you guys for subscribing to my mailing list. Continue monitoring my website for more updates on how to earn money using the internet. Again, to those who are still skeptic, to those who are still skeptical about earning money online, I would understand, but you just have to believe and just have to work hard. Okay? See ya. By the way, continue visiting my website. That's www.kakbay.ph. And again, subscribe to my mailing list. Ciao.